Let's see. Bills. Ooh, it's a letter. From the Belch Republic! I've been accepted into a belching contest. I guess I should probably practice for the contest. Bah. 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 Come on, Belching squad. Come. And you're gonna say, we are the Belching squad! And we're gonna say the Belching anthem. I pledge allegiance to the Belch of the United States of Belch, and to the Belch for which it belches, one Belch, under Belch, indivisible, with liberty and justice for Belching. We are the Belching squad. We can do belches like this. Nathan does one too. I am Nathan.
Belch.
He's a sweet little napper. I'm ready for this. Let's go.
The winner of this contest will get
A trip for Florida, the Belching Hall of Fame.
the Belching Contest starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No!
My first belch is the Belch of Belch.
This is mine. Ouch. This is my next one. Burp. This is my next one. This is gonna be closer. This is going to be. This is gonna be a really small belch.
This is my last, but least.
This will be my grandfather. That was some good belching. I wonder who won. Now this is my grand finale. That was the belch.
That was pretty good.
Oh, Evan, yours was good too. I wonder who won.
Yay! The winner of this contest is Evan, aka Mr. Belch.
I won! Yeah! I am Mr. Belch. And I love to belch. I love to belch.